What is cryptocurrency? A digital currency which is independent from governments and the bank system. The first cryptocurrency was Bitcoin, an open-source digital currency that was issued on the 3rd of January 2009 by Satoshi Nakamoto. It is an alias. It can be a real person or a complete group of people taking courage on the example of Bitcoin. Litecoin, Ripple, and Ethereum appeared, along with many other cryptocurrencies. In 2015, there were more than 300 cryptocurrencies established, and since then, this topic is still hot. There are serious competitors, and there are funny, strange, and interesting systems such as Dogecoin. Most of them are based on the same system, only their hash algorithms differ. Thanks to the hype around this topic and the vast amount of new cryptocurrencies, a trade system has evolved from it. That system operates similarly to stock exchanges, where people trade coins just like traditional currencies or securities. Owing to the enormous popularity and the trading opportunities, participants of the financial market have started to take an interest in cryptocurrencies, which could bring huge changes in the future.